so creepy when you walk in there.
Yeah, especially the freaking coffee pot at the top of the steps. You think it's a person.
Oh dear.
That wasn't even that bad.
I know.
It even really isn't like raining. It's mostly wind and fake lightning.
Yeah. Feels good though.
Yeah, I mean we get the wind is nice, but we get spurts of rain and nothing. It really makes me go, ooh, it's a thunderstorm. Seriously?
I'm sorry.
There's not gonna be any thunder with that.
What is that? I heard thunder.
The breeze.
No, I heard thunder.
It's the breeze.
I heard it.
It's mental.
You're mental.
A little bit. Like the porch isn't even.
I can see Travis.
Yeah. No rain.
Well, no, it's because your hand doesn't.
No, I reached past the thing.
Oh.
It's not even raining right now.
Yeah, it is.
It's probably going.
Yeah, I only got 3 drops on my hand.
Yeah, real exciting thunderstorm here.
Hey, we got wind. It's cooling down. Where are you going?
Down here.
Okay.
Just gonna walk right here for a second. Oh, see, that's what we need. We need more street lights. Because up where the street light is, like, I can see everything perfectly fine.
Huh.
Shows you how super freaking dark it is because of the storm. 'Cause I don't know what time it is. My phone won't let me check while I'm making a video. But I don't think it's that late. Yeah. Oop, that was thunder. Oh, there it is. Bits of rain. I want to know if we're going to get the hail we were promised.
We got 2 big drops on it. Oh, Jesus.
Ooh, that rain's cold too. That has to be coming off the lake.
Yay!
I like it. I like it a lot. I just want to live in the breeze.
Let's see Travis.
I don't want to see Travis. Big ball! Freaking Xavier. Tell you what.
Did everybody laugh or what?
Some people did. Some people gave us dirty looks.
Oh,
Okay, well, this is my not so thunderstorm because now it's not raining
I
again.
just got rain on my boobs.
It rained for like, what, 30 seconds?
Yeah.
And then it stopped.
And then it's gonna start again, and it's gonna stop.
Yeah, this is not very exciting. It's cool.
I got rain on my boobs.
Dark. We have lightning and wind. That's about it.